Hello, today's video is going to be all about getting your emails into your subscribers' inbox. It is vitally important that when you send out an email to your email list, that it arrives to them and it doesn't go into the spam or promotions folder. So today we're going to go over 5 tips and tricks of how to get your emails into the inbox. So tip number 1 is warm up your email account. With any new domain, the Google or any mail server will not recognize it and it will think it's a spam account. So you need to warm up your email account. And how to do this is to send emails to yourself actually. So you have several different email accounts. You send those emails, the test emails, and say if you have a funnel and you want to test your funnel, you go through the funnel, you receive your first email, you open the email. It's very important to open the email and to reply to the email. It's very, very important they have interaction. With any social media or anything else, they always want a lot of engagement and interaction. So the more that people open your emails, the more credibility that you have, then the email server will give you more credence and send your emails into the inbox. Okay, tip number 2 is to avoid too many links in your email. It is very nice to have a pretty email with a lot of HTML links, but the servers do not like that and they consider it spam. So what you want to do is have not too many links, much more content in your emails than you do have links. So with any email sequence, what you want to do is have content, and then an offer. So you have 2 or 3 emails that are strictly content with no links at all, no offers, nothing like that. And also at the bottom of your email in everyday correspondence, it's very nice to have a signature at the bottom with all your information and your links to your offers or your website. But you do not want that in your email marketing. So when you're sending out to your list, do not have the signature in it, not too many links, and mostly quality content, just valuable content that your subscribers can use actually. And that's just a good overall practice anyways. And tip number 3, this is a more advanced tip, and it is to check your email header. So what you want to do is go over to mxtoolbox.com and run your header through their analysis tool to check and see if it's going to hit the spam folders. It's a little bit more advanced. I'm not going to get into how to do that exactly in this video, but there are videos on how to do it, and I have another video on how to actually do that that's more advanced in our extended email marketing tips. Okay, tip number 4, and this is a big one. Avoid any spam trigger words in your subject line, such as free or prize or here's your free gift. Anything like that will directly go to the spam folder, unless your account is extremely seasoned. So like I say, if maybe a year or so down the line, you're sending out 1,000 emails a week, a day, then you can start using some of those words. But you also want to run your email through the email checker to make sure that it's going to not hit the spam. But it's always good to avoid those trigger words, especially free. It instantly goes right into the spam folder. And you can check this too. You can check it when you're sending your test emails to yourself. You can check some of the subject lines and see if it goes into the spam folder. Some of them will go into your inbox. Some will go into your spam folder, your promotion. A lot of them will go into the promotions if they have free or 10% off, any numbers in there. The algorithm just doesn't like that. So avoid any of the spam trigger words and your response rate will be much better. Okay, I did save the best tip for last, and this tip is to add this one line to your email to get interaction. So what you want is as much interaction with your emails as possible to give the algorithm It gives you juice with the algorithm. So what you want people to do is open your emails. You want them to reply to your emails, and with this one single line, it will increase your open rate tremendously, and it'll give your account much more credence. And what is that line, you ask? So this is it right up here. P.S. If you love receiving such tips and tricks, can you let me know by replying to this email? I reply to all emails I receive. This one line will dramatically increase your inboxing rate because you will get more reply, more interaction, and it is fantastic. It's a great trick, and use it. I use it. A lot of professional email marketers use it. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next video.